Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam crystal Christmas candle ring or candle wreath as it's sometimes referred to. And what you're going to need, you'll need some of these crystal teardrop pendants. They are from Efavormart. You'll also need some Angel's Tears pendants, and these are also from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you'll need one of these silver trays or nickel tray. You're going to need some silver berries. Now you don't have to use silver if your color scheme is something else. You could use red berries, gold berries, whatever your Christmas color scheme would be. I'm using silver. I've got some little mini silver ornaments here from Dollar Tree as well. And then I have some of this silver, some of this metal like wire, silver wire. And I will be using some candles that I created for last Christmas season. And if I can, I'll go ahead and link those in the iCards above, or I will put them at the end screens on the video so you can check out how I made the candles that I'll be using. You can check out how I made those. But if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. And these are the items that we need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys. Now, didn't this Christmas candle wreath turn out absolutely beautifully? This was so easy to make. I mean, you guys can be as elaborate with this as you like, or as simple as I've made mine. There's just so many options with it. But let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.